This is the Telemetry Transportation Daily for March 31st, 2025, and I'm Sam Abuel-Samad, Vice President of Market Research for Telemetry. When most people think of automated driving, the brands that come to mind are usually Waymo, Zoox, or Tesla, or if they're more familiar with the Chinese market, it might be Baidu or WeRide. But after the DARPA Grand Challenge program wrapped up in 2007, and before the Google self-driving car project really got going in 2009, another company people might not consider began the process of commercializing automated driving technology: Caterpillar. Caterpillar makes a wide variety of equipment, including bulldozers, excavators, construction equipment, and absolutely enormous dump trucks used in mining. Mining is dangerous, and that includes driving these huge vehicles. So Cat hired Chris Urmson and Brian Selesky from the Carnegie Mellon team that won the DARPA Urban Challenge to bring automation to its trucks. They developed what is arguably the first commercialized automated driving system. There are now more than 550 Caterpillar trucks equipped with the Command for Hauling system in operation in mines around the world. They entered service in 2013, and in 2022 they hauled an estimated 1.4 billion tons of material out of over 9.3 billion tons since debuting. The first generation system used a variety of sensors, including Velodyne's rotating lidar sensors. Last week, Luminar announced a new partnership with Caterpillar that will see the equipment maker adopt Luminar's Iris lidar, which should be lower cost and more robust than the older rotating sensors. These are the same sensors currently used on the Volvo EX90 and coming soon to other models. The next generation truck system will use two of these Iris sensors with custom software and integration for Caterpillar. While automated driving has only seen a very slow ramp up on the road, applications like mining, port operations, and precision agriculture with more limited operating domains actually provide a key market for this technology to improve safety and productivity. Thanks for listening, and I'll be back again tomorrow.